Did you know that a single tablespoon of certain seeds can pack a bigger nutritional punch than some fruits and vegetables? These aren't magic beans, but they might as well be, considering their impressive health benefits. We're talking about chia seeds and flax seeds, two nutritional powerhouses that have taken the wellness world by storm. In this article, we'll delve into the depths of these tiny but mighty seeds, comparing their nutritional profiles, exploring their effects on weight loss, heart health, and digestion, and ultimately revealing which one deserves a top spot in your pantry. Get ready to unlock the secrets to a healthier you, one seed at a time. Intrigued? Let's dive in and see how these miniature marvels stack up against each other. Both chia seeds and flax seeds are nutritional all-stars, but they have unique nutrient profiles that cater to different needs. Let's break down their macro and micronutrient content. Chia seeds. These tiny black and white seeds are an excellent source of fiber, boasting a whopping 11 grams per ounce. They're also packed with plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Flax seeds. Don't underestimate the power of these golden or brown seeds. Flax seeds are brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, which our bodies convert into EPA and DHA. They're also an excellent source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, and lignans, plant compounds with antioxidant properties. As you can see, both seeds are packed with nutrients, but their strengths differ slightly. Chia seeds take the crown for fiber and calcium, while flax seeds are champions of omega-3s and lignans. When it comes to weight loss, chia seeds and flax seeds are valuable allies. Their high fiber content helps you feel fuller, reducing calorie intake. Chia seeds absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, forming a gel that promotes satiety. They are popular in smoothies, yogurt, and oatmeal. Flax seeds contain soluble and insoluble fiber, aiding digestion and fullness. Both seeds support weight loss when combined with a balanced diet and exercise. Section 4. Heart Health Heroes. Both chia seeds and flax seeds have earned their stripes as heart-healthy heroes thanks to their impressive nutrient profiles. Let's delve into how they contribute to cardiovascular well-being. Omega-3 fatty acids. Both seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and improving cholesterol levels. These essential fats are particularly beneficial for people with heart disease or those at risk of developing it. Fiber. As mentioned earlier, both chia and flax seeds are excellent sources of fiber, which is essential for heart health. Fiber helps lower LDL or bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Antioxidants. Both seeds are packed with antioxidants, which protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage DNA and contribute to chronic diseases like heart disease. Incorporating these seeds into your diet can contribute to a healthier heart and reduce your risk of cardiovascular problems. Section 5. The verdict. Which seed reigns supreme? So, the million-dollar question, which seed reigns supreme? Both chia seeds and flax seeds are nutritional powerhouses with unique benefits. Choosing one depends on individual needs and preferences. Chia seeds are great for fiber and digestive health. Flax seeds boost omega-3 intake and have antioxidant power. The best approach is to incorporate both into your diet. What are your favorite ways to enjoy chia seeds and flax seeds? Share your tips and recipes in the comments below.